Welcome back to Big Boy Tactical. Today we're doing a review on the kydex by Polarbear Armz. This kydex is for my Glock 43. It's my new EDC everyday carry. It's also my new concealed carry. As you can see, the weapon is clear, has been clear. Round in the magazine, no rounds in the chamber. Whenever you're handling a weapon, always make sure that the weapon is clear, not hot. But talk about the kydex. It's really good. I like it. It's a concealed carry kydex. I'm right-handed. As we can see, it is. We're gonna weigh it. See how much it weighs. It's really lightweight. It's really good. Really comfortable. So here we go. This kydex comes in at 2 ounces and 1/4. 2 ounces, 1/4. It's got 3 screws, one to hold it together, one for the clip to be able to attach it to the pants. It looks really sturdy. It is very sturdy. Nice, easy to bend. The specs to the Glock 43 are dead on. As you can see, it's still near flush at the top. But who's gonna see that? Nobody. It's got enough space that if I wanted to replace the front sight, or that if I wanted to mount a different sight on the top, it has clearance, no interruption. As you can see, it fits really tight and snuggle. There's no wiggle room. There's no space for the gun to come out. I'm trying to pull it out from the bottom. And when you get ready to put it from the top, it comes right off. Right off. Check them out, guys, on Instagram at Polarbear Armz. We're gonna see in the next few seconds how it feels when you have it on sweatpants or dress pants or jeans. So on the next part of the video, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to put it on with sweatpants, and jeans, and dress pants. See you in a second. And as you can see, guys, here it is with sweatpants and a hoodie. The kydex, you can barely see it. See, there it is. Boom, easy to take out, easy to put back in. Then on the next video you will see I have cargo pants and a regular button down shirt. And also you can see that it'll be very easy to conceal in the cargo pants with a regular shirt. Very easy to take out, very easy to put in, back in place. It holds well against the belt and the pants. It's very comfortable as well. So make sure you guys check them out. Polarbear Armz for your kydex. Thank you.